where to find free music to your videos, and it's completely 100% non-copyright. Let's begin. First, open your browser and search www.youtube.com/audiolibrary. As you can see, there's a bunch of music to choose and it's completely free. To use this audio, just click the download icon, save it to your selected location, and boom! It starts downloading. Wait until it finishes downloading. And there you have it! You can use your downloaded audio in your videos, and it's completely free. And that's it! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Like and share this video.